boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop. Do you remember the author that we are learning about this week? Mo Willems, right. Here he is right here. Yesterday we started our chart. We talked about how he uses speech bubbles in his books and he shows emotion on his characters' faces. So I'm going to read you another book today in the series, the Elephant and Piggy books. This one is called I Love My New Toy by Mo Willems. Now he's the author and the illustrator. I want you to look for those speech bubbles and see if you can tell how those characters are feeling by looking at their faces. I love my new toy. There's the toy. He always has a page like this at the beginning and the end of his books. There's his title page. Hi, Piggy. What are you doing? Look at my new toy. I love my new toy. What does it do? I have no idea. Maybe it is a throwing toy? I love throwing toys. Oh, look at his face. Here, try it. Yes. Zip. Nice throw. Thanks. Here it comes. Zoom. Break. Do you see the lines? Oh, he's showing us what happens. The toy falls and it breaks. Oh my gosh, look at their faces. I broke your toy. You broke my toy. My new toy. I am mad. And sad. I am mad and sad. I am sorry. You are sorry? Very sorry. I do not care. My new toy is broken. And you broke it. Oh, how does Piggy feel right now? Wah. Wah. Cool. You have a break and snap toy. Snap. This is a fun toy. Enjoy. Break. Snap. Break. Snap. Do you want to play with my new toy? No. You do not want to play with my new toy? I do not want to play with your new toy. I want to play with you. Friends are more fun than toys. You're it. No, you are. Okay, boys and girls. That was I love my new toy. There's something I wanted to point out to you. Did you see the speech bubbles? I did too. They were all over this book. And did you see the emotion on their faces? Look at this. He shows you exactly how they're feeling. When they're sad, do you see it? They look so sad. And when they're angry, oh, look so angry. Now look at this really close. Do you see these lines that Mo Willems drew around Piggy's arms? Do you know why he drew those lines? Because she's going like this. Because she's so angry. He drew lines in a lot of places. Let's see if I can find somewhere else. Oh, look right here. Do you see some? What's that mean? It means she's mad, doesn't it? What about right here? What's this line show us? That he's throwing the toy in the air. So Mo Willems is doing a lot of work with lines, and he's using the lines to show motion, okay? This line shows that he's throwing the toy in the air. And look, there's some lines right here where it shows that his arm is moving. So that's something that you can do when you're illustrating in your stories. Like Mo Willems, you can show motion with lines. So I'm gonna write that up here on our chart because I think it's an important thing to remember. He uses lines to show motion. Okay, so if we had, let's say we had Piggy right here, right? Okay, and if Piggy was talking, she'd have a speech bubble, see? Which is what we have right here. Right here you can see that Piggy is happy because there's emotion on her face, and we can show lines. Maybe she's moving her head back and forth. And you can see that with the lines. That's how Mo Willems does his stories. He uses all of those things in his illustrations. When I write my book, which I told you it's about Bug, remember? I want to try to do some of those things. I want to try the lines to show motion, and I want to try the facial expressions, do my best on that to see if you can see how my character's feeling, and I'm going to use speech bubbles when Bug talks. Okay, so let me start on my front cover because that's what we're doing today in our writer's workshop, is all of us are going to start the front cover of our books. Okay, 3 things you need. Do you remember what they are? Picture, author's name, and the title. Okay, well, my book's about bugs, so I'm just going to call it that, Bug. All right, and I can listen to all of those sounds. We've learned about how you can stretch out a word, so let's think that. B. Ugh. Ooh, do you hear the sounds? B. Ugh. The first sound I hear is B. B. What letter makes the B sound? B, right? Let me move this up so you guys can see this better. Okay. B. B. I hear the B. What do you hear next? B, like in the like an umbrella. A U. B, g, g. What letter says g? Like in goat, right? A letter G. So there's the title of my book, Bug. I still need my picture and my author's name. I'm going to put my name right here at the top so we know that it's by me because I'm the author. So by Mrs. Lusher. Sometimes authors put their names at the top and their title at the bottom. Sometimes they do it different. If you look at Mo Willems' books, he likes to put his titles at the top and his name at the bottom. But everybody does it differently. All right, so I've got my author's name, I've got my title, I still need my picture, right? Well, I told you guys my story's about Bug. So what do you think you're gonna see on the front cover? Bug, right? Let me show you what he looks like. Bug is got an oval body. So I'm gonna draw an oval, okay? And he's got two big old eyes. All right. And here's his little smile. He's kind of got a sideways smile, but he still needs wings because he's a bug. So I put his wings on. There's one wing. Here's the other wing. It kind of goes off the page a little bit. And Bug needs some legs. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of color to Bug so he looks a little bit more exciting to look at. We're gonna make Bug kind of a blue color. Now friends, when you decide what your book is about, you don't have to make the same book I make. Feel free to think of your own book, okay? We're not all gonna have the same. My book is about Bug. Your book might be about your dog. Maybe you're also gonna write a book about a piggy. Maybe you're going to think of your own character. Maybe you wanna write a book about a monster or a penguin. It's really up to you, okay? All right, there we go. There's my Bug. So that's the front cover of my book, boys and girls. It's done. I've got my name, my picture, and my title. Now that's what I need you to have today. And I want you to send me a picture of it. And when you send me a picture, well, actually, you know what? Send me a video. Because when you send me a video of it, I want you to tell me what your title is and read your author's name, okay? Just like this. So if I was gonna read you mine, I would say, Bug by Mrs. Lusher, and that this is a story about a bug that likes pumpkins, okay? All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow for Writer's Workshop again. Bye.